Hey guys, welcome back to Zylot Farm, episode 2, I guess. Um, so last episode we did not get to finish 2 goals that are set. Getting the first backpack extension and level 10 of the mine. So this episode we're just gonna keep going where we left off. And yeah. So let's just hop right into it. Let's see. Since we have no food, literally, let's pick up some dandelions and daffodils. Ooh, that one actually gives you stuff. Let's give this one to somebody. Flower to power your day. Boom, ba-dum. Oh, another one. Now I have 2. Now I have 4. Everyone's getting a daffodil today. Ugh, I'm stuck. Alright, who should I give it to? But before we give stuff to people, let's look through people's trash cans. Because we are a raccoon. Yes, whoever is not a raccoon can leave. Or a goblin. Alright, let's do a quick fish. While we do that, I'm gonna open a soda. That was loud. Yay, I got something. Come on. Oh. Wish there was a treasure chest. Alright, anchovy it is. Okay. Let's check the bulletin board. Ooh. Woohoo! Come here, little boy. Well, hello, little boy. Where's the little girl? Come here. Wow. Oh, there we go. I'm not fishing for child. That's messed up. Alright, let's just keep going. So, let's see if the traveling caravan or caravan, I don't know how you're supposed to say that, is here today. It's here! Yay! Cool. What do you have? Lobster. I do not know why you have that. A tulip. Largemouth bass. Eggplant. Seed. Lingcod. Summer spangle. Ooh, a fairy rose. That's pretty. It's a globe. Huh. Right. Well, nothing good. Alright. Well. Then let us head off to the mines then, I guess. Since we do not have the, mine carts. There we go. I can't just ride one to the mine shaft, which is a little sad. So we're just gonna keep walking. Oh, sorry, Jody. I meant to click on you. Right. I hate people. Why do they have to walk out while you're going through their trash? Nice to meet you. I'll give you a flower. For me? Yes, for me. Alright. Quest. No. Oh, there we go. No. Ugh. No! There. Oh. Nah. Alright. Oh. Guess I can't go in there. Anyways, let us go up to the mine shaft and mine. Oh, and then there'll be that little cutscene thing where the old guy comes and gives us a little sword. There we go. Oh, Linus! Oh, Linus is great. See, this is the cutscene I was talking about. Anyways, see? He gives us a rusty sword, and we have to go down to the mine shaft, and once you hit level 5, it opens up and allows you to use it, and once you hit level 10, you get one. So every 5 levels, you're allowed to use it, and it's either every 10 or every 20 levels that you get a gift. And that one level, so level 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, those all are just like gift levels, if that makes any sense. It's literally just a tiny little room with a ladder leading down and a gift box in the middle of it. Once we get to level 10, I can show you. Anyways, how about once we hit level 5? It shouldn't take that long. I'll just put on some music and do a mining time lapse. Till then, you can just listen to me talk and peer into the void like I normally do. Sure, let's fight, because I'm not having enough stress today. Oh, I hate this rusty sword. I don't like how you cannot move and fight like every other game in this game. I realized that excuse me, that I just burped into the mic. That I've probably been either talking way too loud or way too quietly during this entire thing, so I apologize for that. And I am running low on energy again, so this is where the eating flowers comes in handy. I should probably find my phone sometime soon. Till then, let us eat a raw fish, like any normal human being would not do. Ooh, I got a geode. Oh, shit. Oh, anyways, Amber, I actually need that for the museum. Because, yeah. And let's eat this cave carrot, too. Because, yeah. Right, so we are almost down to level 5. Like I said, it does not take very long to get down there unless you have horrible luck. Because I think they just randomly randomly just generate where, ever the ladder leading down is. So it's always changing, except for like a few levels, I think. So there's really no solid place that they could end up. So you kind of just have to look around and keep looking until you find it. No, let me kill you, slime. What? There we go. See, this is why I don't like the randomly generated part of it. When you are just trying to look for it and you do not want something to take up your time, it is a pain trying to figure out how to get down to the next level of the shaft, the mine shaft. Anyways, let's just keep mining since we only have one level to go, and then I will put on some music and start a small little time lapse. Come on. Just die, slime. Oh, I am not gonna die here. Okay? I'm not. If anyone's dying here today, slime, it's you. Okay? Okay, you little stupid idiot slime. Let's get rid of the copper ore. And then let's eat this. No, no. Yeah, eat the green algae like an idiot. Can you eat that? No, you can't. Can't eat that either. Alright, this is an amethyst. So yeah. No. I think we're actually gonna have to call it quits the second we... This second, actually. So we're gonna have to leave now. Since we can't even use the little thingies. Come on, come on. Don't pass out. Come on. Weak little stupid body in this game. Don't pass out. Oh, you are. No. There we go. Yes, eat it. There we go. That's good enough. All right, now let's give the amethyst to whoever, not as a gift. We have to go back down and accept the job request and blah, 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 blah. Anyways, it's 7 p.m. I think every business is closed already. So what? Deeper in the mine, reach level 40 in the mine. Alright. So let's quickly go down, see how long it gives us for, step quest. There's usually a time on this thing. It's 2 days, yeah. Alright, so 2 days for Alex. Let's check the map, actually. That's super useful. Pierre, Caroline, Harvey, Alex. Alright, so it's this house. Let's just intrude on there. It was Alex, right? Yeah, Alex. Okay. There you go. Alright, here we go. 300 gold. Easy peasy. Alright, let's just go to sleep real quick. Wake up again, and next morning we will get started back on the mines and back to farming. But the first stop will probably be the museum, since that is the place that we have to dump a bunch of our donations at. Excuse me. Aw, dang it. Here's. Hey, good morning. This is Skip. He's just talking about, cracking open a geode, I'm pretty sure. Oh, craft a furnace. Never mind. Can you slay 10 slimes? Oh, yeah. Appreciation. Anyways, let's start collecting these things. If you get any, you'll probably see it. Yeah, so this one right here, let's just, wrong one. So let's, oh, wrong one again. No, oh my god. There we go. So let's put coal and 1 quartz in here. Everything else we donate and crack open. So this, boom, gold. Let's actually give it its own chest. There is a quest for that in the community center, which we have not unlocked yet. We will probably unlock it soon, or like right now. Not right now, but like right as we leave our home. Hopefully. Let's check for any free goodies. No free goodies. Not there, at least. Ugh. Saturday. Okay, it's not Wednesday. Oh, I hate the scarecrow. Okay, build a coop. Oh, that's nice. If you hear me stifling, you'll realize why I was saying that my voice sucks and that why I don't sound great. Oha can go burn in hell. Yeah. Actually, if you don't ever fix up the community center, there is a special thing you can unlock where if you like, I think it's buying a Hoha membership or something, and it unlocks and allows you to let the Hoha market take over the community center and turn it into a warehouse. And if you do that, then the store that sells you all your free goodies and stuff, and everything, then that place basically just disappears. And Hoha takes over, so all of their stupid, ridiculous prices just are outrageous at all times. Let's wait. And then, let's go. Are you kidding me? Right, upgrade tools. Oh, you serious? So I'm probably gonna upgrade my axe first. That way we can get into the forest. If you have never played Stardew Valley before, you can. Anyways, let's skip this because I know exactly what's going on. They're asking for donations, which I'm gonna give them because I get rewards for them. Anyways, since you once you upgrade, you do get once you upgrade your axe, you can get rid of those big stumps everywhere. I can probably find one, but it's basically just, it looks like a stump of a tree. And once you upgrade your axe, you can get rid of them. And once you get rid of one of them, next to the forest, there is a like little secret forest type thing, I guess. I'm actually walking over to it right now. And over there, you can find slimes, and there every day it respawns the tree trunks. So if you just want to farm for hardwood, which they give when you destroy them, then you can just go there. And I'm pretty sure every day, if you just farmed these things, and the tree trunks, I think you could farm like 7 a day it was. Since 7 respawn every day. So yeah. I don't know if we have gotten the invitation thing from the wizard. So let's just knock on his door real quick, or like tap on it and see if he lets us in. Yeah. he's not letting us in. He does not like us. Let's check who likes us. Nobody likes us. Everybody hates us. That's so mean. Ow. That's mean. Anyways. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Sure, why not? I'm heading up here because normally there's spring onions and stuff. God, sorry. I have like a really odd cold. That does not make sense at all. Anyways, I'm just kind of making no sense, am I? Huh. You there. You see what I was talking about. The spring onions. Let's get rid of the fiber and not the size. And that stuff. Yeah, see, spring onions. And then a horseradish, I think. Yeah, wild horseradish. Anyways, since it's super dark and loomy and groomy and dooby shooby dooby dooby, I don't know what I'm singing. Ooh, banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Watch me turn. Banana. Anyways, yeah. So these things and these, you can destroy those once you upgrade your axe. And you can destroy, find one. Cannot find one. It was on the screen a second ago. God, where is one? You can destroy these things down here when you upgrade your pickaxe. And you can upgrade your pickaxe to like gold or diamond, I think. I don't play this game that much, so I am not sure what the biggest upgrade you can get them to is. I'm sure it's like a ridiculous amount or something. But oh, yeah. Throw away the cactus. But no. Oh, you can't give away the cactus. Okay. Let's put the cactus on the front porch, because nope, doesn't want to be there. Then put it behind my thingy. Blend in. Anyway. Yeah, let's head to bed. $30 gold. That is how much we've made. 30 gold. We're doing great. Alright. Cock-a-doodle do yourself, stupid. I almost said rabbit. Anyways. Queen of sauce. Stir fry. Yeah, right. But no, there. Sure. It'll be clear and sunny all day long. Fortune teller. The spirits are very happy today. Yay! We're getting fortunate. Oh, I was thinking maybe we were gonna get the puppy or kitty today. I don't get why, you're allowed to turn down the dog or cat or whatever you chose in the first screen. If you go back and watch episode 1, you can see where, I chose what cat to get. I chose a cat because, or at least I think I did. I chose a cat, because I wanted one, and because I have 2 in real life. And because they're amazing. Well, not really. They're cute. That's all I'm trying to get across. Anyways. For now, let's just put a bunch of stuff into like a pile and stuff. And yeah, actually give me this. Right. And let's actually put it onto a quick time lapse. Put on some music and get this started. So yeah. All right. So that did not actually take that long. Um, so we have completed our first goal. Let's turn that down a little bit. So we have completed our first goal, of getting down to level 10 of the mine. Sorry, that was really loud for me. This is what I was talking about. This little treasure chest and how there only being a small room. So now we have a wooden sword. I just throw that old sword away. I do not like that you cannot keep this box. When you try to hit it, it just disappears. So now that we have gotten down to our first goal, let's just leave the mine. Let's donate all the stuff we have now. Sell all the stuff that we don't need. And yeah. So I completely forgot what I was talking about before. I don't know. You probably know. But let's just head down to the library and blacksmith. I don't know why I like that song so much, but it is amazing. Link in the description for all songs that are in this episode. I do not take credit for any of it. It is created by other people and played by them. So if you want to listen or find music, I just use SoundCloud since it is easy and free. And I'll even have my personal playlists down in the description as well, if you want to go and listen to the stuff I listen to. Alright, let's head home. Actually, first, let's go and check how much our second goal is, which is getting the backpack. Yeah, I'd run against you, but nobody is allowed to. Oh, it's your birthday! Oh, that's why you're... Anyways, need seaweed in front of the TV. Nah. Alright, so for sale, it's 2,000 gold. So we're actually like super close. We'll probably finish this within like 10 minutes. Let's do that. So if you have played Stardew Valley before and for like a while, you would probably know that you make the most money for any products, really, at the end of the month, the day or night of, I guess, when the seasons change. But since I need money, we are going to sell some stuff. Let's sell a quartz, since these are super common. Yeah. Alright, that's enough for today. And then let's head to bed. And we're gonna finish our second goal today. Oh, come on. Oh, hey, an envelope. I know there's a lot of stone scattered around your farm. If you have a surplus, you might consider having me build a well for you. Wells can be placed all over your farm and serve as convenient places to refill your watering can. Just swing by your shop with 75 stone and 1,000 gold when you're ready for it. Robin. Well, thank you, Robin, but I am not gonna do that. Let's pull this out. Ooh, a potato! I love potatoes. I am not whatever that accent was just now. I just like doing horrible fake accents. Alright, so I have anyways, let's just finish our last goal. Let's get this first upgrade of our backpack in like 2 minutes when I'm done searching through every trash can there is in this entire premises. If you're wondering why I searched through the trash cans, it is because if you look through the one that is next to the library, you can sometimes find relics that have gone missing or books. And if you look through any other trash can, you can find anything else. You can find rare items to broken glasses, like the seeing glasses. I don't know why it's like that. Don't know how it's like that, but that is exactly how this game works. So, let's clear this place out, shall we? That was quite loud for no apparent reason. Alright, and I apologize in advance now when you're watching this video for the watermark that will be displayed across the middle lower section of the screen the entire time. I am using a new editing software because the other one I was using did not work, and YouTube editing does not really help at all, honestly. So until I can figure out find a better editing software, I'm gonna continue using this. I apologize in advance. Yay, we got our update. So yeah. Okay. So since that is all of the goals that we've set up, and that is basically it. I thought that was gonna be completed in the first episode. Let's set us new goals. Right here. Near the goal lamppost. Right. Let's see. Actually, let's see how far away the scarecrow is. What? We can make that in the next episode. Let's do that. So, for the next episode, we will create a scarecrow. We will be initiated into the Adventurers Guild, and we will get all the way down to level 40 in the mines. Let's do that. Alright. Then, since today was honestly a nothing day in this game, let's head to bed and then end off the episode. I hope to see you all again. Please watch my next episode. I do not know when it will be released again. Please do not look in the description for it. Please look in the description for my SoundCloud music recommendations. But that's it. I hope to see you all next time. Have a great day.